Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the another chapter, anomalous properties of beryllium, chapter 9th, S block elements, chemistry first year English medium. In previous class we discussed about the preparation of calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate, that is also known as a alkaline earth metal. Next one, biological importance of Na plus and K plus ion. Next one, alkaline earth metal, that is the general properties of alkaline earth metal. But today we are going to discuss about the anomalous properties of beryllium. In modern periodic table, in any group, first element show the anomalous properties. In modern periodic table, in any group, 1 to 7th, in the first element show the anomalous properties because of small atomic size, high nuclear charge and absence of the d orbital. So first element show the anomalous properties. First group, alkaline earth metal, in first A group elements, lithium show the anomalous properties because of lithium has small atomic size, high nuclear charge and absence of the d orbital. So lithium show the anomalous properties. And another one, in second A group elements, alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal, beryllium is the first element in second group element. So beryllium show the anomalous properties. Due to the presence of beryllium has a small atomic size and a high nuclear charge and absence of the d orbital. So beryllium show the anomalous properties. Beryllium anomalous properties are, the first one, beryllium show the diagonal relationship with aluminum. Beryllium show the diagonal relationship with the aluminum. Remaining all elements does not show the diagonal relationship. That is the anomalous properties of beryllium. Beryllium show the diagonal relationship with the aluminum. Remaining magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium, those elements does not show the diagonal relationship. So that is the anomalous properties of beryllium. And the second one, beryllium formed with the covalent compounds. Beryllium forming with the covalent compound. Remaining all elements forming with the ionic compound. Remaining all elements forming with the ionic compound. Here is the first one. Second one is the beryllium forming with the covalent compound. Remaining all elements forming with the ionic compound. Next one, beryllium formed with the complex compounds. Beryllium forming with the complex compounds. That is also known as the transition metals. Forming with the complex compounds. Remaining all elements does not forming with the complex compounds. Next one, beryllium maximum covalency plus 4. Beryllium maximum covalency plus 4. Remaining all elements exhibit the maximum covalency plus 6. Next one, beryllium does not give with the flame test. Beryllium does not give with the flame test. Remaining magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium give with the different color flame test. That is the anomalous properties of beryllium. In second A group elements, beryllium is the first element. Beryllium show the anomalous properties. That is the anomalous properties of beryllium. Beryllium show the anomalous properties because of beryllium has a small atomic size, high nuclear charge and absence of the d orbital. So beryllium show the anomalous properties. Beryllium anomalous properties are the first one. Beryllium show the diagonal relationship. Beryllium show the diagonal relationship with the aluminum. Remaining magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium does not show the diagonal relationship. Next one, second one, beryllium forming with the covalent compound. Remaining all elements forming with the ionic compound. Like that, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium forming with the ionic compound, but beryllium forming with the covalent compound. Here is the covalent compound is the strong bonds. Next, another one, here is the beryllium forming with the complex compounds. Complex compound, here is the beryllium react with the transition compounds. That is forming with the complexes, ligand, neutral ligand, positive ligands. That's are the complexes compound. Next another one, remaining all elements does not show the complex compounds. Next, beryllium maximum covalency plus 4. Beryllium maximum covalency plus 4. Remaining all elements cannot. Remaining all elements maximum covalency exhibit plus 4. Here is the last one is the beryllium maximum covalency plus 4. Remaining all elements exhibited the covalency of plus 6. Next one, beryllium does not give with the flame test. Remaining all elements, magnesium, calcium, strontium, give with the different color flame test. That is the flame test of the second A group. Here is the beryllium existed the different anomalous properties. Those are the anomalous properties. Next one, calcium important compounds. Here is the second A group elements. Magnesium and calcium and strontium is the major compound. Here is the calcium forming with a different compound. That is the first one, calcium oxide, CaO. It is also known as a quicklime. Quicklime, calcium oxide, it is also called as a quicklime. Calcium oxide, CaO. It is also known as a anhydrous dry compound solid. Anhydrous dry solid compound, that is also known as a quicklime. Here is the calcium oxide preparation. The preparation of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is prepared from the calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Calcium oxide quicklime is prepared by the calcium carbonate, CaCO3, by the calcinization. Here is the calcium oxide, also known as a quicklime, is prepared by the calcium carbonate by the calcinization of calcium carbonate. It is also limestone. Calcium carbonate is also called as a limestone. It is also calcinization at 1070 Kelvin to 1270 Kelvin. 1270 kelvins heated with the high temperature. It is also known as a calcinization. Then form of calcium oxide and CO2. Calcium oxide also called as a quicklime or carbon dioxide. Here is the calcium carbonate. Calcinization at 1070 to 1270 Kelvin temperature, then form of calcium oxide and CO2. That is the preparation of calcium oxide. Here is the first one, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide general formula CaO. It is also known as a quicklime. Calcium oxide is prepared by the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is also called as limestone. Here is the calcium carbonate at the high temperature in the calcinization process. Calcium oxide is prepared from the calcium carbonate by the calcinization. Calcium carbonate heated with the 1070 to 1270 Kelvin temperature, that is also known as a calcinization of calcium carbonate. Then form of calcium oxide and CO2, that is the preparation of calcium oxide. Next one, properties of the calcium oxide. Properties of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is the wide anomalous solid. Here is the calcium oxide is the widely anomalous. Anomalous means that the powder nature. Crystals form, that is also existed crystal structure, but here is the amorphous. Not only anomalous. Here is the amorphous. Calcium oxide is the wide amorphous. Amorphous means that the powder nature. Calcium oxide is widely amorphous solid nature. Calcium oxide is the widely amorphous solid nature, that is also known as a powder compound of the solid. Next one, it is easily soluble in water molecule. Calcium oxide easily soluble in water. Next one, it absorbs the moisture and CO2. Calcium oxide absorbs the moisture and CO2. Next one, calcium oxide undergo hydrolysis process or dissolve or soluble in water molecule CaO plus H2O to form of calcium hydroxide. It is also known as a quicklime. Calcium hydroxide also known as a quicklime. So here is the calcium oxide dissolved or soluble or hydrolysis process to form of calcium hydroxide. Next one, calcium oxide absorbed with the carbon dioxide absorbed with the carbon dioxide, then form of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is also called as a limestone. Here is the calcium oxide, absorbed the moisture or CO2, then form of calcium carbonate. Next, another one, calcium oxide react with the silicon dioxide. It is also known as a carborundum or silica. Here is also known as calcium oxide react with the silicon dioxide to form of calcium silicate. To form of calcium silicate. Calcium silicate general formula CaSiO3. It is also known as a calcium silicate. That is the properties of calcium oxide. Once again, calcium oxide is the widely amorphous solid. Amorphous solid. Next one, calcium oxide is easily soluble in water molecule to form of hydroxide compound, calcium hydroxide. It is also known as a quicklime. Next one, calcium oxide absorbed the moisture and CO2. Here is the calcium oxide absorbed the water molecule to form of calcium hydroxide. Next one, calcium oxide absorbed the CO2, then form of calcium carbonate. Next one, calcium oxide react with the silicon dioxide to form of a calcium silicate. That is the properties of the calcium oxide. Next one, uses. Calcium oxide is used for the manufacture of cement and mortar. Next one, calcium oxide uses. Calcium oxide also used for the manufacture of cement and mortar. Next one, calcium oxide used for the manufacture of the chalks. That is also known as a chalks. Here is the calcium oxide also used for the manufacture of the chalks. Next one, calcium oxide used for the preparation of the Portland cement. Calcium oxide also used for the preparation of Portland cement. That is the uses of calcium oxide. Is the once again, calcium oxide is used for the manufacture of the cement and mortar. Next one, calcium oxide also used for the manufacture of the chalks. Next one, calcium oxide also used for the preparation of the Portland cement. Next one, plaster of Paris. Next one, cement, that is the preparation of the calcium oxide. Next one, second compound, important compound of the calcium compound, that is the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is the calcium compound. Calcium hydroxide, it is also called as a slacked lime. Calcium hydroxide also known as a slacked lime. Calcium oxide also known as a quicklime. Calcium oxide is also known as quicklime. Here is the calcium oxide quicklime dissolved in water molecule to form of calcium hydroxide. It is also known as a slacked lime. Slacked lime. Here is the calcium hydroxide general formula CaOH taken to. CaOH taken to. It is also known as a calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. It is also called as slacked lime. Next one, preparation of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is prepared by the calcium oxide dissolved or soluble and hydrolysis process with the water to form of a calcium hydroxide. Quicklime, that is also known as a calcium oxide soluble in water to form of a slacked lime, that is also known as a calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is prepared by the calcium oxide CaO dissolved in water molecule to form of a calcium hydroxide. That is the preparation of calcium hydroxide. Next one, properties of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is the white amorphous solid. Calcium hydroxide is the white amorphous solid. Amorphous means that the powder nature. So that is also known as a calcium hydroxide is the white amorphous solid nature or liquid. Solid or liquid. Next one, it is easily soluble in water molecule. Calcium hydroxide or slacked lime easily soluble in water molecule. Next one, calcium hydroxide also called as a milk of lime. Calcium hydroxide also called as a milk of lime or slacked lime. Calcium hydroxide also called as a milk of lime or slacked lime. That is the properties. First one, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is the white amorphous solid or liquid. Calcium hydroxide is the white amorphous solid or liquid. Calcium hydroxide is easily soluble in water molecule. Next one, calcium hydroxide is also called as a milk of lime or quicklime slacked lime. Quicklime also calcium oxide, but here is the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, it is also called as a milk of lime or slacked lime. Calcium hydroxide is also called as a milk of lime or slacked lime. Next one, uses of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide used for the manufacture of the sodium carbonate and caustic soda. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken to. Calcium hydroxide is used for the manufacture of the sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, that is also known as a washing soda, and caustic soda, NaOH. Next one, calcium hydroxide also used in the whitewash as a disinfectant. Calcium hydroxide also used as a whitewash and has a disinfectant. A disinfectant means that the inhibit or killing of microorganism. That is also known as a disinfectant. Calcium hydroxide used as a disinfectant or whitewash. Next one, calcium hydroxide also used in the manufacture of cement and mortar. Calcium hydroxide also used for the manufacture of mortar and cement. That is the uses. Once again, calcium hydroxide used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate and caustic soda. That is also known as uses of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is used for the manufacture of sodium carbonate and caustic soda. Next one, calcium hydroxide is also used in whitewash as a disinfectant. Next one, calcium hydroxide is used for the manufacture of the cement and mortar. That is the uses of calcium hydroxide. Next one, third compound, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is the important compound of calcium. Calcium compound is the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is also called as a limestone. Limestone formula CaCO3. Calcium carbonate is also called as a limestone or calcium carbonate. The preparation of the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is prepared by the calcium oxide absorbed with the carbon dioxide, then form of calcium carbonate. Here is the preparation of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is prepared by the calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium oxide absorbed the carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide absorbed with the carbon dioxide to form of calcium carbonate. It is also called as a limestone. That is the preparation of limestone or calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is prepared by the calcium oxide absorbed with the carbon dioxide, then form of calcium carbonate. That is the preparation of calcium carbonate. Next one, properties of calcium carbonate. Here is the calcium carbonate is used as a white amorphous solid. Calcium carbonate has a white amorphous solid. Amorphous means that the powder nature. Calcium carbonate is the white amorphous solid. Next, another one, it is easily soluble in water. It is used as a whitewash. Calcium carbonate also used as a whitewash. Next one, uses. Calcium carbonate used in the manufacture of the chalks and marbles. Calcium carbonate, limestone used for the manufacture of the chalks and marbles. Next one, calcium carbonate also used for the manufacture of cement and mortar. That is the uses of calcium carbonate. Once again, calcium carbonate, it is also known as a limestone. Preparation of the limestone or calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is prepared by the calcium oxide absorbed with the carbon dioxide to form of calcium carbonate. That is the preparation of the calcium carbonate. Next one, properties of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a white amorphous solid nature. Calcium carbonate existed has a white amorphous solid nature. Next one, calcium carbonate is easily soluble in water. Next one, calcium carbonate used in a whitewash. used as a whitewash. That is the properties of calcium carbonate. Next one, uses. Calcium carbonate, limestone used for the manufacture of the cement and mortar. Next one, calcium carbonate is used for the manufacture of the chalks and marbles. That is the uses of the calcium carbonate. That is the major compound of the calcium oxide preparation and properties and uses. Next one, calcium carbonate, limestone. Next one, slacked lime, calcium hydroxide compound of the preparation. Next one, properties, uses of the calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate and calcium oxide. That is the preparation and uses and the properties of in these classes only.